Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick video showing you how to reset the service interval lights on a Renault Captur. This one's a 2015, but it's going to be the same across many of the Renault range. So we've just jumped in the car, we've got our key card, and we're just going to pop that in the ignition. So now our ignition's on, you can see it says service required. So using our stalks on the side here, you have the up and down arrows, we can cycle through. So you have start with the mileage, it says service required. If you keep pressing the up arrow until it gets to service intervals, then you can press and hold. And it will say service in 0 miles, 0 months, because it's now due. So if we press and hold again, and it will start to flash, and then when it stops flashing, let go of the button. It says now service in 18,700 miles or 12 months. And we can cycle through, so we press up one more time and it will say oil change in 0, 0, because it's obviously due an oil change at the same time. So now we press and hold the up button again. Now that one will start to flash. Keep holding until it stops flashing. There we go, that's the oil change set, 18,700 miles or 24 months. So that's all done. So now we can turn the ignition off. Put the card back in. We'll start it up, and now we have no more service light. So that was just a quick video on how to reset your service interval and your oil change light on your Renault Captur. Like I say, it works for many other Renaults. Do the same procedure as long as it's got the buttons on the end of the stalk. Please give it a thumbs up. Maybe think about giving us a subscribe. I really do appreciate it when people subscribe to the channel. It makes me feel like I'm doing the correct content that people want to see, and maybe it's useful to some people. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.